Kinematics 3. Acceleration. The notion of acceleration emerges when a change in velocity is combined with the time during which the change occurs. As we see on the picture, at the time 0, at the initial time, we have a velocity of at the initial time we have an initial velocity, and at the final time we have a final velocity. What lies between is the acceleration. So definition of average acceleration is average acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time, or that equals delta velocity divided by delta time. An example. Determine the average acceleration of the plane. It is given that our initial velocity is 0 kilometers an hour, our final velocity is 260 kilometers an hour, our initial time is 0 seconds, and our final time is 29 seconds. So I use the equation from the page before. Here I state that our average acceleration equals our final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time. That gives 260 kilometers an hour minus 0 kilometers an hour divided by 29 seconds minus 0 seconds equals plus 9 kilometers an hour a second. That means that if we have an average acceleration of plus 9 kilometers an hour a second, that means that at the time 0 seconds we have a velocity of 0 meters per second. Then at the time 1 second the velocity has increased to 9 kilometers an hour. At the time 2 seconds the velocity has increased to plus 18 kilometers an hour. So for every second our velocity increases by 9 kilometers an hour.